Tired of struggling to find that elusive link to your LinkedIn profile? Don't worry, because in the next minute, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to copy your LinkedIn profile URL so you can share your professional brand like a pro. First things first, you're going to need to open your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn.com. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, usually your photo. In the top navigation bar, click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you will find an option that says View Profile. Click on View Profile to be redirected to your personal LinkedIn page. Now, look at the address bar at the very top of your browser. That's where the URL, or web address, of your current page is displayed. Simply click inside the address bar to highlight the entire URL, then right-click on the highlighted URL and select Copy from the context menu. Congratulations! You've successfully copied your LinkedIn profile URL. Now you can paste it into emails, resumes, online applications, or anywhere else you want to share your professional identity. Share it with recruiters, potential employers, or anyone in your network, and there you have it, a super simple way to copy your LinkedIn profile URL in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Happy networking!